नमस्ते बच्चों, आई एम JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastava from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I will discuss the Cauchy theorem. If fz an analytic function and f dash z is continuous at each point within and on a closed contour C, then integral C fz dz is equal to 0. Let D be the region which consists all points within and on the contour C. If P, Q, diver Q over diver X, diver P over diver Y are all continuous function of X and Y in region D, then by Green theorem, integral C P dx plus Q dy is equal to double integral D diver Q over diver X minus diver P over diver Y dx dy. Given that fz is equal to u plus ib is continuous on C and f dash z exists and continuous in D, then u, v, ux, vy, vx, uy are all continuous in D. Then integral C fz dz is equal to integral C u plus iv dx plus I dy is equal to integral C u dx minus v dy plus I v dx plus u dy. Now integral C fz dz is equal to double integral D minus diver v over diver x minus diver u over diver y dx dy plus I double integral diver u over diver x minus diver v over diver y dx dy is equal to double integral D uy minus diver u over diver y dx dy plus I double integral D diver v over diver y minus diver v over diver y dx dy. These are cancel out, so integral C fz dz is equal to 0. Hence fz is equal to u plus iv be a complex valued function on and within closed continuous curve C, and four partial derivatives ux, vy, uy, vx exist and continuous. Then integral C fz dz is equal to 0. This is also known as the Cauchy fundamental theorem. Today, now again, we will discuss the Liouville's theorem. If fz is analytic function in the whole complex plane and mod of fz is bounded, then fz is a constant function. For proving, let A and B be two elements within circle mod of z is equal to capital R. By Cauchy integral formula, we can write fa is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral C fz dz over z minus A, and fb is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral C fz dz over z minus B, and fz is less or equal to capital M, where M is a finite non-negative number. Mod of fa minus fb is equal to mod of 1 upon 2 pi I integral C fz dz over z minus A minus 1 upon 2 pi I integral C fz dz over z minus B, which is less or equal to 1 upon 2 pi mod of integral C fz dz in bracket 1 upon z minus A minus 1 upon z minus B, which is less or equal to 1 upon 2 pi mod of integral C fz dz A minus B upon z minus A z minus B is less or equal to 1 upon 2 pi integral C mod of fz mod of dz mod of A minus B upon mod of z minus A mod of z minus B. which is less or equal to 1 upon 2 pi integral c mod of a minus b capital M mod of dz upon capital R minus mod of a and capital R minus mod of b. Fa minus Fb is less or equal to 1 upon 2 pi mod of a minus b upon r square 1 minus mod of a upon r in second bracket 1 minus mod of b upon r capital M integral c mod of dz. This is mod of Fa minus Fb is less or equal to capital M a minus b whole upon r square 1 minus mod of a upon r 1 minus mod of b upon r. This is 2 pi r upon 2 pi. So mod of Fa minus Fb is less or equal to capital M mod of a minus b upon capital R 1 minus mod of a upon r 1 minus mod of b upon r. If circle is very large, then it means capital R tends to infinity. So mod of Fa minus Fb is equal to 0, or we can write Fa minus Fb is equal to 0, that is Fa is equal to Fb. So Fz is a constant function. Thank you.